I'll request Subhag Maharaj to speak. He's present with us. Hare Krishna.
Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swamiti Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pacharine Nirvishesha Sunnavadi Pasyato Desukayine Vancha Kalpatarubhasya Kripa Sindhu Patitanam Pavanebho Vaishnava. So today is one of the most auspicious day for remembering Prabhupada and his glories and pure devotional service. Here is Prabhupada. Some say he had got he's like a Shakta Besh avatar. I cannot see. He's the Nityananda Shakti. Some say he is like a preaching. Like one hand, like Parshuram, one hand chopper, another hand is Srimad Bhagavatam. As Nishinga Bhakti, Nishinga Maharaj was telling, boldly preaching round the world. And the result we see. Again, Prabhupada, I reflect, Prabhupada, his Guru Maharaj's disappearance, what he's saying. I liked it. And there he's saying that I came, of course, in his prayer, before he arrived, Boston, that Commonwealth pier. Went there, and he's writing some Bengali poem, Markine Bhagavad Dharma, and another one. And praying how this place is, America, full of mode of people are passion and ignorance, huge buildings, and how they will listen. And Prabhupada is penniless, no visa, long term, permanent, no shelter, just for 2 weeks maybe he can stay in somebody's place. He has got a letter, he doesn't know, getting down, right and left where he will go. In such a situation, Prabhupada is saying that I did not know whether it will be possible what my Guru asked me, and I tried. I took it a little seriously and sincerely tried, and here is the result. You all these boys and girls, wonderful, from America, some Europe, and you are helping me. And together, in 10 years, at least ISKCON has got a footing. Please excuse my English. And is now a household word, Hare Krishna. Even in Athens, at the dead of night, 1 o'clock, I was sitting, Prabhupada is saying, and one little boy is saying, look, there is a sheep dead, Hare Krishna. You can see any person, everybody's lips, the Hare Krishna is there. I can't think of how it is happening. It's all arranged by the Lord. I think you are my Guru Maharaj's Nijajan, his own people. He sent me to you all boys and girls to help me. You can see you didn't see me, neither I saw you. You didn't meet me, neither I meet you before. And Prabhupada is very overwhelmed and emotional, carried away. He could hardly speak. And his voice is getting choked up. And he's telling, and my Guru Maharaj sent you to help me. And at least something done. So now, as I took it very seriously and tried sincerely, you should also do. Here is a challenge to us. All of us, next generation, all these things. Maybe there will be many upheavals, so many things happen in between. Maybe negative something. Something positive is also there. There's a nice preaching going on. and still devotees are. Prabhupada said, I am present in my picture, I am present in my deity form. He is present according to Bhaktivinoda Thakur in his instruction. He is not gone in Nitya Lila. Of course, apparently he is present. As Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, like sun, he is always in the sky. Sometimes go out of our vision in the horizon, just like this. When he was there, he was preaching. His paradukkha dukkhi, he is feeling for the fallen souls of this material world. And did his best. He is by his actions and his instruction, he is still living and teaching us and watching us who is sincere. As he says, that your love will be seen how much you cooperate. There will be a lot of difference naturally and happening also. And sometimes difficult challenge to handle, to tackle those issues, those problems. But here is a test also. This is a test. How much we love Prabhupada, how much we love Krishna. Here we are now. How we are acting. We should ask ourselves, am I sincere? Am I serious? So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, so much work yet to be done. Here is opportunity knocking to us. We have to carry on. As Bhaktivinoda Thakur said, this movement will go on coming 10,000 years. This is nothing now. How many years gone? When Prabhupada left? 43 years? 43 years. It's nothing. So, say 10,000 years left still now. Opportunity for us to carry out what Prabhupada says. So we should think how we are doing. All of us. Now we have got this thing today. The best homage, best our love will be shown. How we are trying seriously and sincerely. Nityananda Prabhu brought flood in Bengal as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ordered him. And Prabhupada, Nityananda Prabhu's embodiment in front of us. Guru Tattva, present day. How we are acting. Here is a challenge. Here is a test for all of us, each and every. Second generation, those who are Prabhupada's grand disciple, to them also. So here we ask ourselves, how sincerely and seriously taking Prabhupada's instruction and following his footprints. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much. Hari Bol.